Hey, good morning. Thursday. Stump grinding in Littleton, Colorado, and hopefully it's stop in Arvada. Working on bowls, bunch of city right-of-way stumps. In theory, they're all supposed to be super deep, but there is a gaggle of fiber, data, electricity. So I don't know what to expect, but we're gonna go find out. Hope you guys are having a great week. What do you have to say? Come here, say something. Say something vicious. Killing all the mice. Her and her sister. Yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Go to Littleton. Oh, Bowles Avenue in Littleton with all the paint. So much paint. We're starting here by Bellflower, and then we're going 0.4 miles that way. I think it's a total of 13 stumps, hoping for replant on everything. Some of them that won't be possible. Buried cable running right next to that stump, so I don't know how deep we can get, but gas and electricity are not much of an issue, which is surprising. But traffic and river rock is a part of the issue, so just trying to work smart and be careful. This is going to be an exciting one all day. First one's done. Got a replant on that one, only because it wasn't marked, so I was able to kind of take a chance, but we'll see. Oh, 6:30. That roadside job wore me out. I'm so just mentally and physically exhausted from dealing with the stress of getting run over or a rock hitting a car or hitting a fiber line. Who knows? That stunk. That was not cool, but it's done. And nothing got damaged or hurt other than 13 stumps. So that's a wrap. I am heading home. I got to switch the stump grinder stuff over to the skid steer. I'm going to dig out a stump tomorrow and do some grading and cut in a footer. So yeah, I got a little bit of work left for tonight, but this is a little PSA. I know a lot of you guys carry medical kits with you, first aid kits. I have a trauma pack and a bunch of, I'm big on tourniquets just for, they're very useful, they're very cheap, they're very easy. Once you're trained with them, they're very effective. But I keep Narcan in the house, the truck. So I'm not trying to save a junkie's life. However, with the fentanyl overdoses that are going on, you never know. You really never know who or when or where. So I was at King Soopers on sale for $40. Pretty good price. Usually it's like 40 to 50. But it's good to keep. It is weather sensitive, so you got to make sure you keep it in the right conditions. But just something to add to your medical kit if you guys have one. You really never know. I mean, it could be your child, it could be your significant other. This world is nuts, and they're putting fentanyl in everything, or whatever. But yeah, just a heads up. Halloween always makes me nervous. Luckily, we live in a place where I'm not too sweating about it, but there are people that do bad things. So just a little PSA. If you have a med kit, that's a good thing to add in, because you really never know. But that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you had a great day. Skid steer. I'm excited. Later.